What can we do when we activate our brain with a phosphene? When we look at an appropriate natural light source for a certain amount of time, an inner light is created in our visual field. A sun that varies in colors and evolves with its own rhythms for about 3 minutes. This image goes far beyond a simple retinal persistence image. Phosphenes are related to the mental state of the individual who performs them. They are photographable, they are directable. They can be externalized. And when present, our mental agility sharpens. We feel better and more centered. We are more creative and intuitive, and our empathy manifests clearly and naturally. Phosphenes are a unique, very special experience. And those who do them are certain that they are experiencing a very intimate, very personal inner light, rooted in the physiology of the being, and in the depths of their consciousness. Lucidity, emotional balance, and subtle connection perhaps would be, in a first approach, the most obvious and remarkable aspect of performing Phosphenes. That is, bringing light into the interior of our brain. Phosphenes act on the reptilian brain, the limbic system, and the neocortex, in addition to exceptionally enhancing subtle perceptions. Improvement of reading comprehension. We do a phosphene. That is, we look at the phosphene lamp for 30 seconds thinking about the reading subject. We turn off the phosphene lamp and begin to read. At first, the phosphene overlaps the words as the inner light is projected onto the text. It may be bothersome for some. To solve this, just illuminate the work area. This way the phosphene stops being visible, facilitating reading. In addition to causing what we call a reflection phosphene, that also has positive effects on mental processes. We continue reading, generating a phosphene every 5 or 10 minutes. The idea is that not much time passes between each phosphene, and that it does not hinder the reading rhythm. Reading comprehension of the text increases extraordinarily due to the presence of the phosphene. Concentration occurs more easily and persists for a longer time. Moreover, memorization increases exponentially in the presence of the phosphene. Studying with Phosphenes, increase in concentration and improvement in retention and memory. Before starting to study, we do a phosphene and follow the steps of reading with Phosphenes. To memorize something specific while studying, we stop studying. Make a phosphene and review what we want to memorize in the presence of the inner light, with our eyes closed. We verbalize and repeat the text in the presence of the phosphene. Once the text or concept is memorized, we continue the study through reading with Phosphenes. School results improve extraordinarily, in addition to increasing the sensation of security, tranquility, and well-being. The most well-known and awarded part of the method is precisely its pedagogical application.